Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Teachings on analogies and the way they are applied. Now there is even more to be explained. The analogies for what this resembles, its logic, and the way it is put down for the sake of teaching it. The self-luminosity that brings us all together, the way that it is secreted within a dominion that does not expand or contract. Without being gathered or connected, we are perfected in the One. The mandala that is famed for its astounding self-origination, however it may be present, is clear within the One. In the mandala of the clear light of purity, there are absolutely no extremes or middles, no great or small. In the spontaneous realization that is self-originating and is beyond being hunted, we cut through the samsara of our ideas. This is not contrived, it is not complicated. From the beginning it has appeared this way. There is no dharma that we may attribute to our cravings. This is everywhere renowned as the way that it is. In its clarity it has no middle or extremes. The way that it is the experience of us all. It is the true identity of us all. It is our secret heart. The field of practice of supremely magnificent wisdom is that there are no dharmas, where there are no subjects and objects. The contemplation of the Buddha is a heart of excellence. As for the wisdom that is the most secret of the secret, it is clear to us all. It is pervasively present. In the experience of the great circle that does not move, our mudra is perfected in our supreme awareness. As for the wisdom of the supreme secret, we understand the meaning of the unborn the essence of our unsought awareness, has neither a position nor a lack of any position. The unspoken is the real basis for our speaking. The unspoken holds the essence of sound. However we may teach it, it will be so that it will be understood. The totality of those who are born and live, the outer and inner vessel and its contents, is gathered into the 5 great ones in thusness. The arising of thusness may be individual, but we are gathered within the sphere of the sky.